Yep. Hi, I'm Tom Dunlap, an attorney with Dunlap, Bennett & Ledwig, and I've been practicing for more than 20 years. I principally work on intellectual property matters, whether it's licensing, trademarks, patents, copyrights, or litigation, and I also work with government contracts. I enjoy working with government contracts. As a former Army officer, I feel like I've got inside insight. I help clients solve holistic problems, so I don't solve just a legal problem. I attack the problem from all angles, whether it's practically as a business person, or strategically as an attorney, or financially as both of those things together. I try to look at every problem holistically and try to solve for business outcomes. I would say the most important thing I do for clients is I call them back and I email them back in a reasonable time frame. I don't give them just legal advice inside of a vacuum. I give them advice relying on an MBA and a master's degree in biotech and being an Army officer and a pilot and having started companies. I take a holistic approach to everything, and it's more than law, and I think it helps clients, and I think that's what they appreciate. I love learning about my clients' businesses because they all do something a little bit different. I started my career as a prosecutor, and I loved it, but it was Groundhog Day. And so what I do now in intellectual property and government contracts is different with every single client and every single project I do, and that's exciting to me. I had a very global experience, and I think that affects how I look at things. Speaking 2 languages, and now hopefully 3, has shaped my worldview. And then spending 9 years in the Army, frankly, and traveling all over the world to the places you didn't want to visit. Once you've seen other countries, war-torn countries, once you've seen situations that are impossible, being a lawyer is much easier to put things in perspective for clients and to kind of calm the situation down. And I think that has shaped a lot of my worldview.